I'm going to show you how to make baby food the quick and easy way. I'm also going to show you how I like to vacuum seal it so that I can freeze it and save it for later. So this is the Feekaa baby food maker. Now it comes with a little spatula like this. It comes with something you can hard boil eggs in. Of course, it comes with the manual. And then this bottom part is where you put the water in so you can steam the food. And then it has like a food processor on top. So first I'll go ahead and cut up this sweet potato so that I can put this in and make sweet potatoes for my son. I fill up the water. There is a line up here that shows you what level you want to fill the water up to. Then you put that base back on, you put your vegetables in, and of course this will work for any vegetable you want to use to make baby food with. This knob you can select in automatic mode, or you can manually select the time, and then you can manually select the blend mode. I am setting it for 30 minutes just because I want to watch everything happen. So it will start steaming the water and everything will go up into that little food processor part to cook the food. And then when you're ready, I put it on blend mode and I press a button, and you can see it slowly starts to kind of processing it. So it will blend it and then stop and then blend some more and then stop. And it does that 3 times. I actually did this cycle twice just to make sure it was blended up to the amount that I liked. And you can see by looking at it here, it's blended up nice and well for baby food. I was very happy with the results here. And then when you're done, you can just dump out any remaining water that it might have. Make sure that you rinse it out and clean it. I do want to point out, I got this for free to do this video. It's a really cool device. I even make mashed potatoes with it. It's actually really good for mashed potatoes. But when I'm ready to store the baby food, I've got these small pouches that I use in my vacuum sealer. And I use a funnel to put everything in so that it doesn't get the bag wet. Because once the bag is wet, it's really hard to seal. So with these sweet potatoes, I use a chopstick. I push everything down into the bag. I put the bag in a jar. I kind of stamp it down like this just to get the air bubbles out. Now this is important with the vacuum sealer. You want to make sure you don't vacuum too long because you'll see the juices will go up. And if you seal it for too long, then it will get everything wet. But if you do just the right time, then you get a perfect seal. You don't have to worry about any water coming out or anything like that. Then you can store it in your freezer and you have some perfect baby food for later.